How to hide your phone number on your Telegram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your phone number on your Telegram account. So first of all, open your Telegram app. Now once you've opened Telegram, tap on the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now tap on Settings. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll be provided with a bunch of different options. So you'll have to tap on the option Privacy and Security. And now again a bunch of various options will be shown to you. So now you'll have to tap on the second option, which is phone number. So simply tap on it, and now it will provide you basically three options: everybody, my contacts, and nobody. Since we are here to hide our phone number from everyone, we'll simply tap on the option nobody. And now it will again provide you two options: who can find me by my number. So select this to my contacts, and now as you can see under who can see my phone number, it is set to nobody. So that is basically how you hide your phone number on your Telegram account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.